If you want to create an illustrative and easy to understand method of taking attendance like this is how you can create it. First, you're going to select day of the week, followed by all the students in your dataset table like this. I'm going to go all the way to the up. And after that, you're going to go home, style, conditional formatting, new rule. In here, you're going to select format cell based on value. And then format style, you're going to select icon sets like this. In icon style, you're going to change this to red X, yellow exclamation, and green check like this. And in here, you're going to put a check on show icons only. And in here, the type you're going to change as numbers followed by these numbers. And then for the green check, you're going to put this as 2, essentially associate with numbers. And the yellow exclamation, we're going to put 1, which is also a number. And if you enter 0, it's going to show red X like this. After those settings are done, you're going to click OK. And now, anytime you press 2, it will show you a green check like this. And anytime you put 1, which is denoted as late here, it's going to show a yellow exclamation. And anytime you put a 0 like this, it's going to come up with red axis, which is going to be denoting absent.